Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Viraj Tech. Today I am going to provide you the best downloader for Android.
Before we proceed, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.
Open Play Store and type 1DM in search bar. Now tap on Install to install it in your phone. To download, just search here in search bar. After that, you will get here download option with different resolution. If you have the link of any movie or file, then go to add link option and then paste that link and then tap on start to start downloading that file.
If you like the video, hit the like button. For any query, comment below in the comment section.